What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vic bringing you guys a quick video. We are going to be installing CXRacing headers on my 92 Mazda Miata. It is a 1.6 liter. I got the CXRacing headers on offer for $100. It was a good deal, so I couldn't pass them up. So let's go ahead and install them right now while we have sunlight. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So far what I got done, I loosened all the header bolts. I took off the shield. It's held on by 3 bolts, or probably 4 or 5, or actually 4 bolts. And then just loosened up all the 9 header nuts. Those were a bitch. Just soak them in PB Blaster and you should be good. And I jacked up the car. I'm gonna go down there and loosen the 2 bolts that hold the cat in, so I could just take it out with the downpipe as well. So here's a system that I got on off-road. Really clean. I barely used them, so it was a come up. It was $100 on eBay there, and on CXRacing's website they're like $400 something. So yeah, it's a steal. So let's keep going. And yeah, all right. So we're under the vehicle, and we're just gonna loosen these 2 bolts that go to the cat, because I'm gonna be reusing this cat. Even though he gave me a cat, this one's hollowed out, so we're gonna be reusing this cat. Just loosening up these 2 bolts. For a job like this, PB Blaster is your best friend, so just spray that shit on there. And then let that do its work. You can just leave it on there for like 2-3 minutes. And then loosen those bolts up, and I should be able to just remove the header with this downpipe all from the top end. So yeah, let's loosen these bolts up real quick and remove the header. All right, guys, so we removed the 2 bolts underneath, and now we're just gonna try to jimmy out the original header. I did disconnect the old O2 sensor. It goes over here to the lead, which is right there. So I just disconnected that, and now should just be able to wiggle this out and then take it out from there. Hopefully it's gonna be that easy. So let me play with this for a bit. I'm using my iPhone, so let me try to wiggle it out. And I actually have to loosen 1 more bolt, guys. It's going to be that bolt right there. It holds, it's like a little bracket that holds the downpipe in place. Probably will holds on to the tranny. So let me go ahead and loosen that bolt, apply some PB Blaster to that, and then break that loose. And another thing, guys, these are the old 27-year-old header nuts that hold the header in place. They were super rusted and really banged up. Go to your local parts store and buy some rust dissolver and just put these in a plastic container, let them soak in this stuff, and that's it. They'll be like brand new. Look at that, it came out super clean. And then a new header gasket as well. So let's keep going. Right, guys, so I finally got that bitch out. It was a mission, but she came out. So now I'm gonna just clean up the studs with some of that rust dissolver, replace the gaskets, clean all this shit up, and drop in the headers. All I gotta do is put in the downpipe. These nuts were a pain in the ass to get in, I'm telling you that right now. So if you plan on getting these headers, make sure that you have enough time to actually put them in, because these take forever to put in. You're gonna need a 14mm wrench, and you're gonna be tightening them by hand. And then this is really helpful if you have a swivel with an extension, 14mm, and then you could get into some of those spots. But like the ones on the corners and the top, you can't even fit a socket on there for these fucking headers. So they're finally in. I'm gonna put everything back together, put my my strut bar back on, and then lift up the car and put the downpipe and finish the job. Alright guys, so I'm underneath the car and the downpipe is in. It's pretty simple, really easy to put this in. Just 2 bolts at the flange where the cat is at, and then this clamp right here. It's pretty simple. Just tighten that down and tighten down those 2 bolts, and that's it. So we're gonna about to turn this bitch on and fire her up and see how she sounds. Alright guys, so that was a little sound clip from the CXRacing headers that I installed in the Miata. Sounds pretty good, a little bit too drony for my taste, but it's not my daily driver, so I'm not worried about all that. It does sound real nice though. For what it is, for an NA 1.6, it's not that bad. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, just like, subscribe, share. Look at my other videos about me talking about just sports in general. And stay tuned on this channel, man. I got a lot coming.